Hey, this is Ross with Sunstoppers. I'm the lead residential and commercial window tinting trainer for Sunstoppers Incorporated, headquartered here in Charlotte, North Carolina, where we have 8 shops employing 40 personnel and over 70 locations nationwide. I'm here to tell you about our commercial and residential window tint training programs. With a fleet of 6 fans and 2 full-time estimators and 4 installers, Sunstoppers currently does over $300,000 in estimates and nearly $300,000 in installs in a single month in the Charlotte area alone. We offer beginner and advanced level training courses depending on where you're at in your business or career. You can see Jacob here from Ray Hall Paint Protection, based out of Indianapolis, has flown to Charlotte for a 1-week-long beginner training course. Our window tint courses for beginners are perfect for those looking to get started installing commercial and residential window film. Jacob will eventually become an elite tint technician by learning how to apply every variety of window film to homes and office buildings. We go over each proper step of the tint installation process thoroughly, along with real-world hands-on training in actual customer homes and offices versus a controlled classroom environment to give students the knowledge and confidence needed to be successful on day one. If you're interested in learning more about our training programs, please use the link in the description for more information on current training course openings.